Hello, I'm Penny O'Mell, past chair of the Board of Directors for the Edmonton Community Foundation, currently chair of the Investment Committee. I'm also a Vice President and Investment Advisor with CIBC Wood Gundy.
And I'm Ron O'Mell, a First Vice President with CIBC Wood Gundy.
We're here today to talk with you about our decision to make a gift to the Edmonton Community Foundation.
As we realized that we wanted to work for another 20 years, it became obvious that we actually could afford to pledge our RRSPs to a more worthy cause than just adding to the money that we hope to have as we retire. The Community Foundation is a much better cause than just having a perhaps bigger number in our ledger at the end of our lives. And there is tax benefits towards it that were very appealing. We were able to involve our children in that decision.
So when we talked about who we are thinking about receiving our philanthropic intention, we talked about the Community Foundation and talked about all the great things that it has done in my experience. And of course, there are endless possibilities to what the foundation could do in the future. And our children thought that that was just a wonderful, wonderful opportunity that they thought that we should consider. So they were totally and fully behind it.
I didn't want to tie down the foundation to any one particular cause that I might favor at this time. And frankly, we hope to live long lives, and this money might be coming into the foundation's coffers in 40 or 50 years from now, in which case we'd make other adjustments to keep the numbers up to where we want them to be. So the key was we didn't want to lock the foundation in that they had to go with something that Penny or I thought was a good cause right now. They would be able to use their judgment, and the probably as yet unborn board of the future would make those decisions somewhere in the mid 21st century, I would imagine.
So my belief is when we are granted gifts and excess, perhaps we should think about what we leave behind. And what we leave behind is memories in the people that we have touched, and in the material things, potentially those material things can be left to do good works and grant gifts to other people that potentially we haven't intimately touched yet.